Hi, welcome back to AV Creationz. Krishna Janmastami, which is actually the festival celebrating the birth of Krishna, is around the corner. So, in this video, we are going to make a swing for our Krishna. I'll be waiting for your comments to see what you think about this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Stick 4 thread base together using paper tape. We need a pair of these. Similarly, make another one using smaller thread base. Take a plastic container and stick the sponge to it. Using cloth, cover the container. Trim the excess cloth. Now I am going to stick the cloth border on the container. Using the cloth border, cover the thread base. Now, I am going to stick the bigger thread base to the container and the smaller thread base on the bigger thread base. Take a plastic lid and pierce 4 holes by heating the pin. Now take a thread and add some beads to it. Stick the sponge and felt sheet on the lid. Now decorate it with cloth border. Finally, tie the swing to the stand which we have made. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you love this tutorial, please hit like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.